Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a vertical piston cylinder system that contains water heated on a stove. During the process, the water absorbs 66 BTU of heat, so that's heat going in, while 9 BTU of heat is lost, so that is heat going out. And the system, when the water evaporates, the piston rises, expanding. Vapor performs 6 BTU of work, so that is work out. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables. This will help you figure out the unknown. So your heat going in, 66 BTU. Your work going out is your 6 BTU, and your heat going out is 9 BTU. So step 3, find the energy formula. So starting from the first principles, energy in minus energy out is equal to energy of the system. So we've got heat going in minus work going out minus the heat loss is equal to the change in internal energy. Step 4, plug and play. 66 minus 6 minus 9. That gives us 51 BTU, British thermal units. That is the total change in internal energy when the piston is being heated. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can save this video using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.